Today we're talking about how Wi-Fi works. Alright, so Wi-Fi is just wireless networking that uses radio waves to send internet from one place to another. Your internet comes in through a base network. That could be an Ethernet cable from your internet provider. That cable connects to a router, and the router turns that wired signal into radio waves so your phone, laptop, or TV can pick it up. Those devices are the ones we actually use to browse, stream, or game. Everything still moves in binary, just ones and zeros. The router sends those ones and zeros as wave patterns. Your device picks them up and then turns them back into data you can see, like a video or a web page. Every Wi-Fi network has a name called an SSID. That's just how you know which network you're connecting to. And it's locked with a password using WPA, WPA2, or WPA3, which are security methods to keep unwanted people out and keep your data safe. The whole thing works like a point-to-point link between your device and the router, just without cables in between.